I have the Airpods Maxes and I'm going to get into some noise cancelling tests just to see how it holds up in different situations. Hello everyone, my name's Mike and here at Tech Carmoon we uncover tech at home and in video. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But today I'm going to run through some simulated noises that you might experience with ANC with the Airpods Maxes. I'm going to try and do my best to show you how much it cancels out the sound, how it cancels out the sound specifically, and what kind of sounds it can't cancel. So let's just get into this video. Now I know this isn't the most scientific test, but it's the closest that I can provide you guys with the gear that I have at the moment and the situation that we're currently in. I hope this video has given you an idea on what to expect from the noise cancelling from the Airpods Maxes and see if it's enough for you and your situations. Now what I've personally found is that in crowds and where people are talking a lot, it doesn't really do well at cancelling out that kind of sound. It's much better at cancelling out those lower frequencies for sure. For example, like when you're in a car or on a train or when you're on an aeroplane specifically, I found that the Sony XM4s did a lot better overall when it comes to noise cancelling performance. So take that as you wish. But there we have it. As always, this is a discussion. So please leave a comment down below on how you thought that the Airpods Maxes performed. And also check out the links in the description below if you want to support the channel. If you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Tech Carmoon. Drop me a like in this video if you've enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But if you want to see more from me right now, you guys know what to do. There's two videos right over here. Both are fantastic to watch. So go ahead, click them. You know you'll love it. Anyway, everyone, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.